This is Spider-Man. The people of New York love Spider-Man. You know why? Because when Spider-Man saves the day, it doesn't result in whole city blocks being destroyed. That's why Spider-Man is a better superhero than Superman or the Avengers all together. Everybody appreciates Spider-Man.
Get out of here, you stupid drone! Leave me alone! God damn it! Dad! Spider-Man broke my drone!